In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the driver's side corner light on your Ford Explorer. It's located right here. The process for this is the same as the passenger side. Once you have your hood open, I'm going to go ahead and grab this little panel, flip that over, and you're going to locate two 7mm screws. Loosen and remove those. In order to pull out our corner light here, there's going to be 3 posts that need to pop out of their plastic retaining clips. So you can start by grabbing the side here and trying to pull this out. And if that gives you some challenges here trying to get that out, you can use a trim tool on the top here and assist on prying on this here while you're pulling on the outside of the light. We're using the trim tool so it doesn't scratch the paint or mark anything up. On the back side, I want to go ahead and pull this out. We're going to twist the bulb units counterclockwise. Go ahead and remove all of your bulbs. Go line that up. Twist that clockwise until it stops. And then reinstall. You want to make sure that these little tabs here line up properly. Insert, twist clockwise, lock it in, press it in. Get that lined up, turn it clockwise to lock it in. Now we're going to install the light. Now on the back side, you're going to have 3 of these metal pins here that pop into holes in the header panel itself. So when you line this up, while you're inserting this here, you're going to look at the tabs on the top and make sure that those line up on the top of the header panel as well. Once these are lined up and your light is lined up with your headlamp, you go ahead and install the 2 screws. Now you're just securing the plastic, just gently snug those down. You don't want to make them super tight. Do the same here. And go ahead and repeat for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.